So here we are with the 2019 kit overview. That's right, it's the time when I show you what we've been using to shoot this year's videos here at IBC. I'm going to start from the bottom and work my way up. Here we go. First of all, the Flowtech 75. You should all know about this. This is a fantastic set of lightweight carbon fibre sticks. We love it. It's such an easy thing to carry around. On top of that is the Vinton Vision Blue head. Again, nice solid head. And of course, sitting on top of that is our trusty Panasonic DVX200. Ideal for this type of shoot. It's got a proper zoom lens on it, shoots 4K, and works very well from this type of shoot. That is powered by the new IDX Endura Duo 98 watt-hour battery. Been really impressed with this. We've only been getting through 1.5 of these a day. It's been powering majority of our rig. Also into the camera, for the power on the camera, we've been using the IDX batteries that are specifically made for these particular Panasonic cameras. They make them for all varieties of cameras. This one obviously for the Panasonic. They come with an X-tap on there and a USB as well. Brilliant batteries, and to be honest, one of these is lasting more than a day, so no problems there. Let's put that down. So we've been recording internally on the camera as a backup. Our primary recorder, however, is the lovely Atomos Ninja 5 monitor recorder up here. Again, a well-known piece of equipment, and we're recording everything in ProRes on this onto a Angelbird SSD drive, which is specifically designed to fit into the Ninja 5 and is rugged and reliable. Talking about rugged and reliable, we have attached it via this magnificent little arm here from Shape. Superb it is. It's ridiculously solid, and I don't know whether you know, but Shape have this nice little feature where to move it you just press a little button and you can move it forwards, back, wherever you wish. It locks off and then it's completely solid. Great arm, certainly worth looking at. Light-wise, well, this year we are going with the Light Panels brick. Again, a solid light here from Light Panels. We can adjust the brightness, we can adjust the colour balance here, all the way from tungsten up to daylight. And they have this nice little feature where you have a front element that you can slide off and on. This particular one accessory is a diffuser. As you can see, slides off and just slide it on. They also do a grid as well. Finally, of course, we are recording audio here with the AVX system from Sennheiser. This system here, as you can, it's a well-known system, but in this environment, it just works flawlessly. There's so much RF around here, we just want to make sure that we can always get a good signal, and this thing has never ever failed. So that's the kit we've been shooting on. We've been editing on a Scan custom laptop, which has been absolutely fantastic. Super fast. It's got an RTX 2070 graphics card in there, a fast i7 processor, latest gen, and has just been chewing through the footage, which makes a world of difference when we need to get this content up as quick as possible. So that's it here from IBC 2019 in the kit we've been using.